Today I'm checking out this 2-pack of security cameras that I did buy off of Amazon. Let's get them out of the box and see what they come with. All right, so out of the box, they do look like they have everything you're gonna need. You'll just need some tools to mount them. They do have the hardware up here to mount them. You get 4 bases, one for each one of the solar panels and each one of the cameras. It does come with 2 extra USB cables so you can charge those cameras before you hang them. But then the solar panels should keep them charged. And then you have a manual that should go over everything about these. They're pretty straightforward. They're wireless cameras. You're supposed to be able to connect to them with an app. Then you have this bottom portion here that you can open up. Makes it waterproof because it's rubber, but you put in the USB cable from either the solar panel or the cables that it comes to charge it. And then you can put your SD card in there. And then you've got basically a power button. So everything you're gonna need to have some security cameras mounted up outside so you can keep an eye on whatever you want to keep an eye on. I'm gonna go ahead and get a memory card in this thing, charge it up, and see how well it works. So we mounted these cameras up on my grandfather's house just so he can have some peace of mind. Someone tried to break in, and these should really help. So the solar panels on the top, that's watching down his driveway and around the back of his house, and the image quality is actually really good for what kind of camera this is. So you could zoom in and easily tell someone's face. Then I mounted this one up in his pecan tree here. The solar panel should get enough sunlight, and this one is gonna keep an eye on the whole other side of his house. Then all we gotta do is log into the app, see what they're seeing, look at events, and I can do that from pretty much anywhere. So very cool. For the price, these things are awesome. I think we're gonna really like them. It should help deter people from messing around with this house. I think you'll like them too, and I hope all of this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.